What's up, y'all? Hope everything is good. It's awesome to see you. Welcome back to the Cocktail Corner. So today we're going to be going over a drink that's one of my favorite cocktails and is really important in the world of cocktails, the whiskey sour. Really sick drink, loads of flavor, and it has a pretty cool backstory. So the sours are actually some of the most OG cocktails, being based off of single serve punches. And while I won't bore you with all the details, just know that a lot of drinks that we enjoy today, such as margaritas and the vodka sidecar, are actually based on that. Anyways, let me shut my little mouth and let's get to this drink. Alright, so if you couldn't tell from the name, we're going to need something, well, sour. Wow! So, let's go ahead and start off with 1 ounce of some lemon juice. Next, we're going to hit it with 2 ounces of some nice bourbon. 1792 is definitely one of my favorite bourbons. Next, we're going to hit it with 1 ounce of simple syrup. And last but not least, we're going to do the white of 1 egg. Try to separate the egg white into the bigger tin. That way, if anything falls in there, any egg yolk or anything like that, you don't ruin the alcohol and everything else. So now we're going to go ahead and give that what's called a dry shake. So make sure you're really holding on nice and firm to your shakers, because since there's nothing cold, that vacuum isn't created. And you might get a little bit of spillage, like it just happened to me. We're going to go ahead and grab some ice. If you have big ice, go ahead and use that with a little bit of some smaller ice cubes to help with dilution.
Smells delicious.
Go ahead and give that a really good mix. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and serve this on the rocks. Alright, so let's give this a taste. I'm very excited. Oh, that is so good. Wow. Creamy, a little bit of tartness. The simple syrup and the bourbon definitely add a nice level of roundness to that lemon. Perfectly balanced drink. This is delicious. Please, if you try any of the three, go ahead and try this one out in the beginning. It'll help set the foundation for what a whiskey sour should be. Very good drink, y'all. Well, now let's move on to the next one. Alrighty, y'all. So a new drink calls for a new shirt, but I actually just got it dirty, so I had to change it out. We're going to go ahead and get started on another variation of the whiskey sour. This is known as the New York Sour, which is actually a really cool drink. It's a gorgeous drink and it has loads of flavor. So let me just shut up and let's get started. Alright, so we've got 1 ounce of lemon juice. Then we're going to go ahead and hit it with 1 ounce of simple syrup, 2 ounces of bourbon. Then we're going to go ahead and hit that with some ice. Let's go ahead and strain that into a rocks glass. Top it off with some ice. There we go. No, this is not just a regular whiskey sour without an egg white. This is actually going to be using a little bit of red wine on top. It's going to add a lot of really interesting flavors, depending obviously on which wine you choose, but it is going to be extremely delicious. We're going to use 1 ounce of wine, and what you're going to want to do is pour it on the back of a bar spoon, and you want to use it as kind of a floater of red wine. It's going to add some beautiful color and make a gorgeous cocktail. Alright, let's give this a taste. Oh wow. This is what I love about cocktails. Most people, including myself, wouldn't really think to put red wine in another cocktail. Please try that one out. I know it's a little different, but you will not regret that one. All right, we have a whiskey sour a la Pablo. So I'm gonna be changing it up a little bit. We're gonna start off, the first difference is in the whiskey. I'm using rye. I love the spiciness, the flavor that rye brings. So we're gonna hit it with 2 ounces of rye. After that, we're gonna go ahead and hit it with 1 ounce of a Hibiscus simple syrup. It's gonna add a beautiful flavor. Next, we're gonna hit it with 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. Then we're gonna hit it with a 1/2 ounce of Apricot Nectar. Now we're gonna hit all this with some ice. All right, so we're gonna shake it all with the ice. No egg white in this one. I'm changing up the New York sour. So we're gonna go ahead and strain this into a rocks glass.
Do it! Just do it! Do it!
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and top this off with some beautiful ice. I thought it'd be fun to kind of reverse the original New York sour. So I'm gonna be topping it off with a Sauvignon Blanc. This is Love Block, which is definitely one of my favorites. We're gonna do 1 ounce of that. All right, let's go ahead and give this a taste. Oh wow. Oh wow. Delicious. So obviously, since you're putting a floater of wine on top, that's going to be some of the first flavors. And if you've ever had Love Block, it is floral, it is apricot-y, peach-y, so very, very light flavored, brings a lot of brightness to the drink. Then you're going to get the nice bit of spiciness from the rye, you're going to get the floral scents from the hibiscus, you're going to get the rounded sweetness of the apricot nectar, and last but not least, a little bit of tartness from the lime. Delicious. Always come on top. You know what we're doing out here. But, sorry, 1 second. Whew. It was really fun doing this. We came up with a delicious drink together. I hope y'all try it out at home. Please let me know what y'all thought about the whole 3-way thing. I think it'll be something that I'll be doing going forward. If you have any cocktails you want me to try, anything you want me to take my spin on, please leave it in the comment section below. But anyways, thanks for watching. It's always awesome to see you in this corner of the world. Take care, stay safe. Bye. Woo, outdid myself.